What's up, family? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Always a pleasure to be rock and rolling the best family on the tube. Now, got a situation. Yeah, I know masks don't work well like this. I get it. Anywho, as you guys know, if you saw yesterday's video, we got the new van. Good news, yeah? Very good news. Oh, new van. The bad news is that, yeah, I can't get in it. Yeah, keys don't work. Can't get back in it at all. So I'm waiting for a locksmith. Yeah. I get in the van and then get keys made to get in so I can get in and lock the doors, you know, like normal people do. Good times. But look at her. Right in front of me. Fantastic.
There she is. Hello, Fantastic. How are you? How are you doing?
Oh my gosh. It's going to be really, really, really fun getting to know Fantastic.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Alright, so the locksmith has arrived and he's working his magic. I hope. Yeah. He's working his magic.
Will you stay back here? Let him do his thing. Work his magic, Brie. Work your magic. By the way, yeah, I do realize my windows are really dirty on this car. Don't judge. Don't judge.
Well, guys, he's not having much luck. He's been going for like at least an hour now, and he still has not been able to get in. His little magic little device that he was using to attempt to open from the key thing didn't work, so now he's over on the window side over there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but he's over on that side attempting to now get in through the crack in the window and open the door that way. So I think he's given up on attempting to make a key. I don't know. Anyways, I'll keep you guys posted. So it's now been 2.5 hours and with him actually working on it. So he started at 12:30 and then 3 o'clock he worked until 3. So that's like 2.5 hours. Then he said he had to go off to another job. He'll come back at 5. So he got back here at 4:45. And he's been working on it again since then. It's already been like 30 minutes. As you guys can see from the shot I'm about to show you, it's not bright daylight like it was earlier. It's now just about ready to become dark because it is now after 5. Yeah. On the positive, though, no one's going to be breaking into this thing easily. Not even me. So guys, there's the van. And he's over on the left door now, working on that one again. He rotates doors. He works a bit of time on one door, then goes another door. He tries another. And another. And goes back and yeah. Yay. Just thought I'd check in, give you an update. Still a no-go.
I've come up with an idea. I decided to think outside the box, and I called a 24-hour auto glass dude, right? And I was like, yo, like, this van has tons of glass. There's 2 big windows on the back, 2 on each side in the rear. Then there's the passenger and the driver's windows and the windscreen. It's a lot of glass. Can you just maybe remove a window and then crawl in and then put the glass back on? So yeah, that's what he's I've got a guy coming to do that now. As you guys can see, it's nighttime now. And the locksmith is still here attempting to do something, because once we're in here, he still has to make keys, you know, to be able to get in. He's gonna have to remove the barrel from out the door, and yeah, that's gotta happen. So the window guys arrived, and the window guy and the locksmith guy is working together now over there, and so that's them over there working together. So I don't know what they're attempting, but I think they've got an idea. Looks like he might take out just the smaller window in the front, which I didn't even mention. That's in front of the driver's window. It's like a little other window. So it looks like that's the plan now. I don't know, but yeah, this is crazy. This is crazy, and it's going to be expensive. So guys, subscribe, like, if you want to support the channel in any way, it is much appreciated. Yeah, buy merch, donate, reactions, whatever. Lord have mercy. This van, we're getting off to a fantastic start, just like we did with Van Diesel. Yay. Yeah, I just remembered that when I was talking earlier. This is exactly like Van Diesel all over again, just a different way, but same, because, like, once again, I got a van the first day, not second, not third, not fourth, not fifth, first day, something already going on. The drama already starting. So now they decided to try this window instead, or something. Man, this van is impenetrable. Even the freaking glass guy can't get in.
There's no need to complicate things. Let's stick to the basics. We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. We dance on the same wavelength. This feels like a new beginning. We both know what we want. Let's just keep it simple. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So won't you let me trip with you?
Woohoo! So the window guy came, took that window out on the left really fast, so fast that I missed it. Freaking can't believe I missed it. And then he had it back on, and yeah, like super fast.
He came out, he's gone, he's did it. We're open. You can see the little crack in the door there. Hell yeah. The key guy's gone off to his shop to make a key. He's taking the barrel out of one of the doors. So, yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. All right, guys. So we're inside. Oh, well, we can be inside. Well, you know what I meant. Let's have a look inside. I haven't even looked inside this van yet. I'm like super excited. So I'm not gonna see much at night, but let's just see what's going on. Put this window out. There you go. If we took this barrel out here, and that's the one he's taking out to make the key for. Oh yeah. It's been one of those days, guys. And this right here, I freaking, oh my gosh, I so need this. All right, party time in Van Diesel. Let's get it. Well, I had my pizza. Life feels a lot better after a good pizza, man. I'm not gonna even pretend like I didn't freaking just pig out a little bit. Because yes, I did. And you know what? I am not ashamed of it. I am not ashamed of it. So, you know, when life is a little bit unpredictable and a little bit frustrating, there's always a big piece of pie in the sky to help you to get by. Anyways, yeah, so look, on the positive, so we finally got into the van. I can only get into one door. When he did the key, unfortunately, it didn't work for all the doors, so I can only get in one door. And it's not even the driver's door. It's not even the passenger's door. It's just the sliding door on the side. But hey, at least I can get in, right? Just gonna have to Dukes and Hazzard it over the freaking chair to get in the front, because there's no gap like in this car. It's just freaking big chairs. So I'm gonna have to freaking Navy SEAL it over every time I want to get in the driver's seat. Good times. But hey, I can get in. That's... Shout out to VANTASTIC. We'll see where the journey takes us moving forward. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you on the next one. As always, remember to each one to the fullest. And to keep it off tap, I gotta go get my laundry out the dryer. So.
Here's what I found on the web.
Shut up! In case I don't want to freaking fall and drop everything on film, that just sucks. Alright guys, we're going to do a little mission right now. Alright, this is just for you guys. We gotta get out of here! you guys later for another vlog.